Lazy Sue. It works great by keeping my hands cool when I'm soldering. Many times when you're soldering, it's necessary to have the torch pointed towards you. And when you have it pointed towards you, this area here gets hot. So the ideal situation is if you can have the torch pointed away from you and just turn the board so that you can always heat with the torch pointed away from you. When I get my board, I like to put a crosshair in the center of it so I know where my center is. So when I spin the board, I'm always spinning my piece with the correct place. I also do that with my charcoal block. See the cross in here? Then I can set that right on top of my cross and I have an excellent spot for that. So that's my demonstration of the soldering board, and hope you like it. Thanks for listening.